Let's understand the acid properties of a database. Acid properties abbreviation of atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Atomicity states that the data operation will complete either with success or with failure. It follows the all or nothing strategy. Consistency says that if we perform any operation over the data, its value before and after the operation should be preserved. The isolation property says that when simultaneous transaction occurs, one transaction effect should not be visible to the other transaction in the database. The durability states that once the operation completes and commit, the data and data changes should remain permanent. Let's take an example. If I want to send money to you online, then it shows the transaction is successful when money is sent and received by you. If it shows transaction is unsuccessful but money is debited, then it violates the atomicity. After money is transferred to you and you actually receive the money, then it will be shown in your transaction history. If the money is received by you and transaction history is not being updated, then it violates consistency. When I was sending money while someone else was doing the transaction, then I should not be aware that someone else has sent you the money. Only my transaction should be available to me. Otherwise, it violates the isolation. After transactions are complete and everything is updated in the database, it cannot be altered. Otherwise, it violates the durability.